How to apply for a Revolut credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Revolut credit card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Apply for your credit card online, revolut.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you'll see this option of apply now. You have to click on that. Now you'll need to download Revolut app and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be good to go. If you are new to Revolut, create an account using your email or phone number. Existing users can simply log in. Revolut requires identity verification. Prepare a valid ID, passport, driver's license, or a national ID card and follow the in-app instructions to complete the verification process. Once your account is set up and verified, navigate to the card section in the app. Select the credit card option and review the available card types. Revolut may offer different types of credit cards with various benefits. Fill in the required details for the credit card application. Revolut will review your information and notify you of the application status. If approved, you will receive your Revolut credit card by mail. Follow the instructions provided to activate your card and start using it. Applying for a Revolut credit card is straightforward and can be done entirely through the app, offering a seamless experience for new and existing users alike. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.